Hi everybody, my name is Ed Morris and I'm Technical Manager for Altecnic. Now before we get this video started today, please make sure that you hit like and subscribe because then you'll be notified to any new content that we upload to our YouTube page. Now I'm going to show you something a bit new today and something really interesting. Now this is our 108 iStop Plus. Or it's a compact version of the original iStop antifreeze valve that we had. So antifreeze valves are used in heat pump installations and they're used to protect against freezing or frost protection. Now the way they work, should there be a power cut, should the circulators fail and the temperature start to drop, especially the temperature inside the system, these will start to activate. So once the water hits about 3 degrees, they'll start to open up and that water will start to drain out the system. It'll pull warm water from inside the building or keep the water moving to prevent freezing within the system. So that's where this comes into its place in the heat pump installation. But what are the new features on this one? We talk about the sensing element, we talk about that water temperature. So inside here we have a large exposed area to the thermal element or for the thermal sensing part of the valve. Now because that's exposed, because it's a nice big large area, it gives real increased sensitivity to that water temperature change. So when it starts to drop, the valve will start to open accurately and to make sure that the valve and the system is protected as it should be. But as we mentioned, this is the iStop Plus and the compact version of our original valve, and as you can see, the installation or the design of the valve is very small, nice and compact for those tight installations. So a couple of things that we can look at when it comes to the compact installation. First of all, you'll notice that the sensing element is now on the side of the valve as opposed to on the bottom where it used to be. Now what that allows us to do is install the valves in parallel. So you imagine you've got your flow and your return coming from the heat pump. You can either install both valves as this is, top and bottom of each other, but you will have to leave that gap still over the anti-vac should you want to install it that way. However, if you put one this way around and then this way around, because of the offset design, that means then you can keep that design nice and tight, nice and close to each other, keeping that installation as tight and as compact as possible. Now this is rated to 90 degrees, so it's suitable for all heat pump installations. Now if you want any more information on this valve or any other valves in our range, please visit our website, which is www.altecnic.co.uk.